In this video we're gonna do the exercise based on shoulder. Guys, I believe that if you do this exercise at your home on religious base, then definitely it will just stronger your shoulder, and it will you can see the changes after some time. Like if you are doing the exercise from a couple of months, then you will see the difference. If you are thinking that doing exercise for a week and I can change myself, then it is impossible. Guys, you have to follow this exercise routine till for 1 month, then definitely your body will habitual of doing the exercise. Second thing, guys, all the exercise which we gonna do on this screen, I will just give the name of that exercise on the screen and description also. Guys, please, this is the normal message for you that you should do exercise. I'm doing exercise, and this is the best thing we can do at home. Guys, like we have talked earlier that all the things are related to our physical fitness. If we are physically fit, then we are definitely mentally fit, and we have to do this exercise for the fitness and for the activity which we are gonna do in perfect way. So if you want to do any exercise, anything, any activity in a perfect way, then
if you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly, let me down.
soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
I need guys the likes from you. So today's target is more than 100 likes on this video. Please guys, I'm doing work for you, and I need this likes. This give the motivation to me to make the videos for you, and that's why just like you guys are watching this video, that's why I'm making it. Guys, please share this channel, please share this video for so that other people can also join us, other people can also see our video, and this channel can grow for the other, like for the more videos. Guys, this is a request, please watch, share and like the video. Thank you, till bye bye, ciao ciao, namaste, jai hind, jai bharat, vande mataram.